In this video, I will show how to remove outline of a text box in Microsoft Excel. So guys, if you draw or if you have any text box in Excel and you want to remove this outline, so we can see we have this text box and this is the outline. So to remove, double click on it and click on shape format and shape outline. So select no outline and click anywhere. Another method, right click on this text box, then format shape and here line. So select no line and click anywhere. The fill, so select no fill. Now you can keep anywhere in this text box. So thanks for watching.